Schubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka step jong ka arpu waiteri ujemang arajar arpulai kalalong ka bangyo bat ka pala penyam ketang ye ki babon balang hadin baka ding ka bakalang kala penjulor ye ka KJP Girls Higher Secondary School kabadan mission compound hasilong wat la kampat syai hakano ka rukam ka ding kala yo ban penjulor lut ye ka school ka papaunam ka jingdo kalong ka bakrau la antat baka ding ka bakalang kala sedang hakapor kumba arbaje minstem ka school KJP Higher Secondary kadai ka ningkong tam hakathan sa tailam mingi kaban ajing hingkai la ni jingpuli tang ki khna kan thei bat la sengya ka house nam khat pras pa khandai puar kani ka school kalalong bai thik man ajing nang jing start ki khna kan thei nado snam khat pras pa khandai puar hadin maka Welsh Presbyterian Mission Society kala pha ya ka way ka missionary ya ka tip kerteng kum ke Bessie Williams ban shimti ya ka jingpenia ya ka ni ka school kala penmi ya ki babon ki longkme ki ba paunam bha amtang ha ka jella henroi ha ka rihi baro ka way kum ikong Silverine swear bat ka kong En Shulai ki balayo ya ka khusnam Patmasri Mavis Dun Lingdo ikin thai ban ningkong na padang ki khasi ban long ni menteri ha ka sarkar Assam ikong Bonili Kongmen ibalong iban ningkong tam na padang kikentai kasi pan syajid komit khot ke parliament ikong Rose Million Batho Karbuli i chairperson barim ke Union Public Service Commission bat kiway na padang kibabon balang kibalalait siya ka school haga steps ngi ublay menteri rangba ke jelaw Konrad Sangma ulalong uway ni kita bat ula kular ba unsa pelat pisa shiklor tingka naga skim jong menteri rangba kenang ban yo ban sedang no ya ka kam ban Thei ya ka KJP Girls Higher Secondary School kila don na pedeng ki nong hikai ki bala ja umat haba kila yo ya ka jingdo ka ba shirkai jong ka school ka bala yang menta la shispa lai pu waste nem tam bat ka bala penmi ya ki Thei Kynsai hakiliang ba pher
But it is a great loss, and I'm sure to the school, and I can only imagine how sad and how emotional all of you are right now. But I just want to tell you that we are all with you. We will ensure that we rebuild this together. We will get the design done. We will rebuild it together. I have told your principal also that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'll be releasing 1 crore to the school account so that you can really start the work. And after that, from the government side, we will give all the necessary help to ensure that we're able to rebuild the school again. So keep faith. Okay, I know it's a difficult time. This is the moment you all need to be together. In a very tragic incident that happened. This was a very, very old school and a very old infrastructure, and it's a great loss for the students, for the school, the church, and the community as a whole. There are many people whose lives were transformed in the school, many people who have studied in the school, and today to see what has happened is something that is very, very sad and very, very tragic. But I wanted to just come here and along with other leaders, and we've met the principal and other managing committee members and the teachers, and we have assured them that we as a government and as a society, we are with them, and we will ensure that we all work together to rebuild the school together. I have promised them that immediately from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I am releasing 1 crore to the school, and after that, once the full detail estimates of the building comes up, then we will work out and we will work together to arrange the necessary funds to ensure that this school comes back to what it was. I'm sure that we cannot give back the same touch to it, in the sense that it was a very old and a heritage building, and but I'm sure the managing committee will appropriately decide how to move forward. But as I said, I've come here to show my solidarity with the people and with the students and with the managing committee and the community as a whole, and we assure them of complete help and support from our side. And as I said, we will work together. I know it's a difficult time for them, but let me assure them that we will work together to rebuild the school again.
How long will it take, sir, to rebuild the school?
Of course, we don't know that, because we need to work on it in detail. There's so much that is lost. We have to first try to retrieve. I was suggesting that we should retrieve as much documents, as much of the whatever is left, and we should not just simply let it go. So it should be done in a proper manner. But the work will start immediately. As I said, we are transferring the funds to them. The managing committee will have to decide on how they will move forward. They'll have to see whether they want to stick with the old design, so that the old memory and the structure, the old design remains, or they would like to change it. That's a decision that is not in my capacity. It's the managing committee.